Hello! So nervous I'm gonna mess this part up. A bunch of cats, and they're making soup. Hey everybody, and welcome to it. I'm Julia if you're new here, and welcome. So happy you clicked on this video today. Today we have the M3 iPad Air, and we are going to be unboxing it. And my latte, candle going, and my iPad. And that's all we really need. I can't believe I was just in New York looking at this device a few days ago, and now it's here in my hands. So this is the 11-inch, and I'm really excited because I have had the 13-inch iPad Pro for a while, and honestly, I do feel like it's just a little big for my needs. So I'm excited to go back down to 11-inch. This is the M3, as I said, and this is 1 terabyte of storage. So lots of storage here, all my creative needs. I think that's really all you need to know. Here's the box. I'm switching at this really hard because when I was at the session, they were talking about how the Mac, oh wait, that's on the wallpaper, not the box. Maybe that's why. Well, apparently somewhere in the design, it's supposed to say Air, so. Okay guys, we learned a little Easter egg with this background. If you look, it says Air, so A-I-R for the Air. And apparently they like that on other devices too, I've just never realized. Air, that kind of looks like an R. I don't know if it's for this or not. Air? Now I just look ridiculous. Before we get going, out of all the 4 colors that haven't changed, unfortunately, what color iPad Air would you choose if you were to choose one? So this is the blue, obviously, but there is space gray, starlight, blue, and purple. Those are your options. I also have some accessories that I got, which we will open up after the iPad. But here we have the Apple Pencil Pro. I'm excited. The new and improved Magic Keyboard. Look how gorgeous. Honestly, I feel like it's heavier than the iPad box itself, which is kind of crazy. So excited about this. I love Magic Keyboards. And then we also have the Smart Folio, and this is the denim color. So I'm excited to see what it'll look like with the iPad. But that's enough of our accessories. We'll put these aside till later, and we'll go ahead and open up the iPad. I'm always like so nervous. So nervous I'm gonna mess this part up. 1, 2. Okay, time for the grand reveal. Okay. It's not giving much yet. First look in the box. Go ahead, take this out. Flash of the color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see the blue. Okay, rest of the box. We got a block. Nice. And the USB-C to USB-C cord. Awesome. Cord, of course. Great. Let's see if there's anything else in here. iPad Air. Oh. No more stickers. Bummer, man. Just some instructions. Don't need this. Now for the iPad. Oh my word, it's so pretty. Okay, she's gorgeous. It's this really pretty icy blue almost. We have the camera here, interesting. And that's all I really noticed. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Hello. Something about that hello screen every time. It's always so exciting. Wow, I feel like I'm not used to these bezels. Look at how like thick it goes around. Interesting. All right, well, wow. It's so nice to like have a smaller size again. Here it is. Here's my iPad Pro, the latest one that just came out. Super cute, but look at the size difference. Like, that's crazy. This thing is huge. I feel like I have a little baby. You know what I really want to try out? I've never had an iPad mini, and I just feel like they're so cute. I see people like taking them around in their purse all the time. I'm not sure if this would really fit in my purse, so maybe someday I'll get a mini. But we're gonna set this to the side for now and open up the accessories. All right, what do we say? We turn this on and customize it a little bit. Ah, so sorry, Apple Pencil. Here's another look at the blue in a different lighting. Hello. We're gonna go English, United States, continue. I could do quick start, or I'm gonna set up without another device. It's having me get on our Wi-Fi real quick. All right, it says it may take a few minutes to activate. Setting it up for myself. Touch ID. It's at the top here. We're just gonna keep turning. Oops, we'll just keep on. I love Touch ID. Okay, I guess I'm not doing a good enough job for them right now. Oh my gosh. I think that's the most I've ever struggled with turning on Touch ID. Add another, no, I don't need a thumbprint. It wants a passcode. So if you had a previous iPad, you can transfer your stuff, but I think I'm just gonna start clean. So don't transfer anything, and then from there, I need to sign into my Apple account. Okay, I'm being signed in. It's so cute. I love the animations. It's so fun. I just love getting new devices. It's just so fun. Such a fun feeling. I feel like this is about to be a lethal combo. Wait, that just looked like I cut my hair right there. So I'm getting distracted now, but this is just still signing in. Kind of skipping through. I don't use Apple Pay on my iPads. Most controversial question. I am light mode. Apple Intelligence. I love Apple Intelligence. So yeah, we're getting it. Welcome to iPad. That's horrifying. We need to customize this ASAP. I'm going to put this keyboard on though, this case. I love the white. I'm scared I'm gonna get it dirty, but we'll see how it goes. You just set up the Apple Pencil. Doesn't do much. You just click it on and then it's gonna say, welcome to Apple Pencil Pro. Continue. Ooh, we can see all the fun stuff. Okay, try the squeeze. So it wants me to hover over the screen. Ooh. That's awesome. You can erase. Try scribble. Use your pencil to handwrite in any text. Oh, okay. Cute. Delete. Oh my gosh, you can wait, why did I not know that? Oh! Draw a line over a word. Oh wait, that's what I just accidentally did. Cool. Okay, insert, tap and hold with your pencil. Huh. And join. Join characters by drawing a vertical line. Wait, that's so fun. Wow, I never knew any of these. Okay, cool. Okay, add to find my, oh, you can add your pencil to find my, so you don't lose this thing. That's genius. All right, well, we're all set up now. I'm going to customize this and download some of my favorite apps, and then I will be back to give you guys a little bit of a what's on my iPad. All right, somebody needs to take this thing away from me. I cannot stop. Had this opened for like 4 hours now, and I cannot stop playing these silly little iPad games. Full-on iPad kid has been reawoken. So I'll show you guys how I customize it first, and then I'll show you all my favorite games I've been playing. So first up, lock screen. Kind of boring, but once we get in, there is my cute setup. I have this little New York City widget. These are all with the Widgetsmith app, and I just downloaded photos from Pinterest. If you want these same photos, I have a board on my Pinterest called iPad Customization, and you will find them all there. That's basically my little customization. I just thought it was cute. Been loving New York City lately, so I had to put that on the widget, and that's about it. So let's get into my games and what's on my little iPad Air, because I'm having so much fun playing all these cute games. On so many new ones I've never played. So first off, this is the one I've been stuck playing for the last little bit. It's called Cats and Soup. Basically, you have a bunch of cats and they're making soup. So you can see, like, over here, this guy's in charge of cutting up the cabbage, another one in charge of cutting the carrots and blending the vegetables and all that good stuff. And you just like collect all their money down here, and then you like sit here and you can level them up so that they make things faster, and you name the cats when you get them in, so you'll like get one whenever you get a new station usually. So I'll show you all my cats. So here we have a Dasher, Panda, Silly Goose, Apple, and Iris. So if we click on one, you can see it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I need to decorate their rooms. How do I get stuff for that? For some reason it made me put a Santa outfit on this one, so I named him Dasher. All these names, they just kind of spoke to me at the time, so it's Silly Goose. Apple, just thought it was fitting. Apple. So this has been fun, just playing around. Oh, it's nighttime. Slay. You don't need brain activity for this one, so it's very fun. This next one is called Goods and Sorting. This one's been also really fun. You just sort things around until they line up. So like there. Excuse me. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. Chicken, snacks. We've got that. So fun. Yay. Okay. So that's just kind of fun to do. All right, next up in the games, I have this one. It's called Genshin Impact. I don't really know how you say it, but I had seen the like demo of them playing it a long time ago, like back in October at one of the Apple experiences when they were talking about the Macs. You're this girl or a boy, whichever you choose, and you get separated from your sibling, and that's all I know. Right now, I'm still just trying to find my brother. So you go through a bunch of tasks. It's just like a little story. It's kind of cute. I just like the graphics and the vibes of everything. Like, look how pretty. Cute. Right now we're in a little city learning how to fly with these wing things we got. Wow, but look how pretty. How cute. Like, look at the graphics. This game is just so fun. I think this is an actual game I will probably play. I lose interest with games so fast, and this one has been really fun. I really like it. Oh no! The dragon's attacking the city. Am I supposed to attack the dragon? I like the dragon. It's not doing anything wrong. Are you guys having fun? Because I'm having fun. Wow, this is epic. The next one is Lake, and this is just like kind of a coloring book game. So obviously there's most of them you have to pay for, but there are some fun ones that are free. I started coloring this one. So cute. And it's kind of fun because like you pick a section and it knows and to keep it in the lines of that section. So this is kind of fun. I'm coloring this little teacup. You're kind of limited on like the colors and stuff without paying, but you can make some really pretty artwork still with the free version. Pretty. All right, I'm gonna stop there, else this will go the whole video of me coloring. The next one, this one, it's okay. I'm not really into crazy games like this, but you can take down different ships and battles and stuff. It's called War Thunder Mobile. You can drive a tank. This is for all my guys out there, I guess. Pretty epic, the USS Fletcher. Let's go. Yeah, see, that's beyond my pay grade, I think. But the next game, Good Coffee, Great Coffee. I don't know if you guys have played this. There's a version that was the first one. It was Good Coffee, or Good Pizza, Great Pizza. It's really fun. You basically are a coffee shop owner and you make coffee for each customer depending on what they want. They all want something different. Oh, only okay, shoot. You just go through the motions. Again, another kind of mindless game. And it's just really fun, and I love it because I love making coffee. So if you guys ever want to learn, it's kind of, for learning just the basics of coffee too. But yeah, I'm making a latte right now. We're gonna add some milk into our thing. Onto my binging folder. I love using my iPad to watch TV whenever I'm cooking or like getting ready in the morning, just propping it up. So I have my YouTube, Peacock, and Netflix here for binging. And then lastly, here are all my productivity apps. Pinterest, of course, I love getting on and just doing a little scroll. I love my Pinterest feed. Good Notes, this is where I like to take my notes, and just anything like that. I have it all synced with my iCloud. Keep everything organized. Obviously, since I just set this up, it's gonna take a second, but you can make a new little notebook. If you take the time to like really customize your Good Notes and find cute little digital planners, it's much more worth it. So I'll show you eventually. I have a lot of videos about digital planning and stuff, but I like to just take my notes here. Very cute. You can do lots of things here. They're all loading in, I guess. I like to plan my meals. Here's an example. In college, I would use it to make my to-do lists and stuff for the day. Like, this is crazy. I have all of my notes still saved from college, like journals and 302 quiz. Don't want to ever have to do that again. But yeah, here's some more examples. I did my yearly goal and resolutions on one. Digital planning. So I'll link my favorites down below. Canva is like one of my favorite apps ever. I use that to like make social media graphics and stuff. And lastly, another app that I love specifically for productivity on my iPad is called Flip Clock. You basically just have this pretty little clock, and I like to set it up in the backgrounds of my videos, or if I'm ever doing work and stuff during the day, to like just have a clock going to keep myself accountable, or you can also set little Pomodoro timers. So if you want to focus for 25 minutes at a time, you can start a little timer going and then, you know, give yourself a 5-minute break, stuff like that. So I just think it's really cute and aesthetic. So those are some of my favorite things to do on my iPad, what's on my iPad a little bit. I thought it would be fun to end with a cozy little session of us doing cozy games and showing you all what I love to use my iPad for. So I'm really excited to get to use this new Magic Keyboard with the new function row and the larger trackpad. How cute is this whole setup? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be great. But I'm going to spend the rest of my evening playing cozy games on my iPad. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below. I will try my best to help. I'm not like a huge tech expert, but I will try to do what I can. But I'm gonna have some more fun playing my Soup for Cats games. I have my dogs both just chilling here. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment. We're gonna comment the cat emoji, because that's how I will know who made it all the way to the end. Because you guys, I really appreciate it when you make it all the way to this point in the video. So, cat emoji because of my cat soup game that I'm obsessed with. Congratulations on your new iPad if you are upgrading, or if you're just watching for fun, thank you for being here. So, okay, I know I'm gonna end this video. Thank you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!